Hey everyone, we are back yet again today, and I think I'm just in a hyper mode of trying to get these binders situated. This one is going to be a work in progress because I haven't gotten everything printed out, and some things are still a work in progress when it comes to creating some items. But this one is going to be my very, very long-term empty nester challenge. Now, with this one, I've decided I might be changing the colors of the binders as to what is going to be what when it comes to the overall categories of the savings that will be inside each binder. I've decided to go ahead and do the purple binder with this one. I don't know if I mentioned that previously before. I might have had it categorized into something else, but I've decided I'm going to do the purple binder with this one. So I've got one more video to put up tonight that will be my expense binder, which will be my black binder, and then I am impatiently awaiting for my other binders to come in, but I do have some other things that I need to do, and Philip desperately needs a break this morning. So this is going to be my empty nester binder. If you don't already know, I have 5 current children. I have 2 out of the house. Tori's going to be 26 years old on Thanksgiving Day. Carrie is 24 years old. Each one of them have 2 children. Tori has a son named Adonis who is 5.5 and will be 6 in June. She also just recently had her second son, Elio, who was born in August and will be 1 next year. Carrie has a 7-year-old daughter named Aria, and then she is due with Jaden, and I realized I think I spelled the name Jaden wrong on my tracker when it came to my dashboards, and I spelled it Jayden, but I asked her last night when she came over to grab the rest of her Christmas presents because y'all, we are done with everything. Christmas is in the bag, and I've got one more expense sheet this week and to show you before we close out our November, even days early, so I can start getting ready for December already. But she came over and she got her 6-quart crock pot that I purchased off of a Black Friday sale, and she also got her Keurig, which I purchased off a Black Friday sale as well. So those 2 items came in, and so she came and got that, and her 8-pack of pajama shorts that she wanted also came in. So she grabbed those last night, but I did spell Jaden's name wrong. So it's supposed to be Jaden, and she clarified that with me last night. So those are the 2 kids I have out of the house. They all have children. So the ones that I have in the house, and this is why I'm calling it an empty nester challenge, this is probably going to go on even after the kids leave. But I have Philip, who will be 14 in January. Jessica will be 15 in January. And then Danya will be 16 in April. So I've got some years going still left to go, but I need to start working on this regardless, and I need to work on it now. So here's what's going to be in my empty nester challenge. Now, I don't have everything, but I have some of the components, and I just wanted to show you. Also off here to my left-hand side, I will be showing you the memory dog frame that I do have, and I guess it's a pets frame. I guess you could do cats and things of that nature as well. I'm going to show you that because I told you in my last video I would be showing that. Plus, I'm going to link it down in the description below. It'll just be an Amazon link that you can go and check it out if you're interested for yourself, or maybe even giving it as a gift this holiday. So here we go. This is my purple discbound binder. And I'm going to move, well, let's go ahead and put the dashboards in, and then I'll explain what's underneath. We have our penny challenge. Now, I've told you guys many, many times before, I have a Chihuahua Dachshund mix, and that is Jaya, also known as Gia, Gigi, JJ, Gigi, things of that nature. She's got a lot of little nicknames. Recently, my son calls her Miss Thickums because she's a very thick dog, and so that name's stuck a little bit with her as well. But I wanted to make sure that I have the penny, quarter, nickel, dime challenge. And I know I just got that all out of order, but penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. That sounds better. Anyways, I wanted to make sure that I rounded everything to the nearest dollar because Jaya likes to eat coins. And she likes to put things in her mouth that doesn't belong to her. And she just turned 6 in October, and I just don't leave change laying around, y'all. I don't chance anything. I do not like to use coins to scratch off scratchers. So in a previous video, I showed you that I have some new scratching tools that will be going into our new Etsy shop as well, and I will be using it here on my videos here as well because I decided I'm going to use the rainbow one. This is the penny challenge. I rounded it to the nearest dollar. So you will see it, and it will be that particular amount. The original, I believe, is $667.95, so I rounded to $668, and it is a 3-page scratcher. I broke it down into 3 separate amounts to make it a little bit more easier for everyone to do as a scratch off. It will be going up in my new shop along with the other savings challenges we're getting ready to talk about here. The next one is our nickel savings challenge, and I believe that's the one I currently have sitting underneath this binder here. And there is a total for the nickel savings challenge. Again, I'm rounding everything up to the nearest dollar. And these are all scratch offs, y'all. The penny challenge is a 3-page, and it's done in 3 different amounts. Same thing with the nickel challenge in 3 separate amounts. So that way when you're pulling that page to scratch it off, they also have numbers at the bottom saying page 1, page 2, page 3. You will be able to see how much you're going to save per page as you scratch them off. This is our nickel. No, this is our dime. See, I told you y'all be getting this out of order. That is our dime savings amount. This one will be a 6-page scratch off. And last but not least, on the dashboards that I currently have made, again, I'm going to have to make some additional dashboards that will be going in here as well. But for right now, these are the dashboards that I currently have that Philip has made, and he does need a break, as I said. This is our quarter dashboard. Y'all, look at the total there. Whew, that's a big boy. And this one is actually 15 pages of scratch-offs. Now, my hopes is not only to have them in the format I'm getting ready to show. There'll be more savings challenges going here. As you can see, I've got additional envelopes to be able to do what I need to do. So we are going to close this one up. And again, this is going to be, now I've moved this as my empty nester challenge binder. All right, y'all, let's show you this, and then we're going to show you the prints, and then I'm going to go take a break as well because my son just heated up some chili, and I'm starving. All right, y'all. I'm hoping to put this into a binder as well in case somebody wants all 4 challenges together. I almost have it done so that I can take it up and get it taken care of. I was planning on doing that with my no spin situation. I think that's what the purple binder was supposed to be, was a no spin, but I'll just change it to a different color because we still have June, July, and August still left to create. And Philip and I will start working on those probably tomorrow and get those done within the next week or so that in December I can take them up and put them into a coil bound system. So it will represent a no spend year challenge. I will also be selling that on my new Etsy shop. So here is our nickel savings challenge, and as you see how much you're going to save, $3,300, and I believe it's $40. And you see there, it tells you on this page how much you will save for this one page. This is page number 2. If you only want a certain challenge, I'm also going to sell them like this as a set. They will come with the dashboard that I just showed you. So this one will come with the nickel dashboard. It will also come with a laminated A6 IOU card, or you can choose not to have the IOU card laminated. If you do that, I would suggest that you write in either erasable pen or that you write in pencil so you can erase and reuse over and over again if you would like that. Or go ahead and get it in the laminated version for the IOU card, which will also be the exact same as the dashboard, but it will say IOU. I'm going to show you again, guys. It'll say IOU, and it'll have a spot for the amount. So you'll get the dashboard, plus you'll get another one that looks like this, but it'll say IOU, and it'll have a spot where you can put the amount. If you get the laminated, which is what I suggest, throw it on your printer copier machine, and you can print out over and over again if you want a paper copy. That way you can keep that as like a forever copy. But I don't have the IOUs in here currently right now. So you'll be getting that. You'll be getting a choice of one of 3 different envelopes: a discbound envelope, a clear zippered envelope, or a flap envelope. So this is page number 2. And again, you see the amount that you'll save when you scratch off all 30 of these scratch spots. And this is page number 3. I've decided to move into dashboards versus using labels that you can just peel and stick, because sticker paper is not cheap, y'all. It is just not cheap. And I use pretty good quality sticker paper that is matte removable, so you don't have to really scrub really hard to get the label off. It just peels right off very cleanly and nicely and easy. So this is the 3-page bundle for the nickel savings challenge. Again, I have a 3-page bundle for the penny challenge, a 3-page bundle for the nickel. The dime savings challenge is going to be a 6-page scratch off, and the quarter challenge is a 15-page scratch off. Also, like I said again, it'll come as a set if you want just one, or I'm going to offer it as a bundle for all 4 sets if you want them separated like that. Or you can also be able to get the bounded ones as soon as I have those processed and made. And that will go on as the coin savings challenge. All right, last thing I want to show you before I am done for currently right now. I'm trying to get caught up on videos. Actually, let me go ahead and show you the box first. I will, oh, no, we got one more thing to do before I do that. This is another one that's going in there. This is my Epic, and it will be a printable. This is one thing I probably will put up as a printable for my new shop. I'm not thinking that I'm going to do a whole bunch of printables on it. I might, but I'm probably not going to do a bunch of print on demands. This is the Epic 1000 envelope challenge, and with this saves 500,500, and it's 10 pages. Y'all look at it. It's 1. This page 2. Page 3. Page 4, and it's all the way from 1 to 1,000, y'all. If I make this as a printable, I will put some printable IOU cards as well, so that you can print those out just in case you get to these bigger numbers and you'll have to break it down. Like I probably will have to break it down, no doubt. Next page. And it just keeps going up and up. And I believe that's the final page right there. So this is also will be going into my empty nester challenge. By no means am I going to get to 500,500 before my kids are out of the house, but I will continue to work on this for probably the foreseeable future. So got that. All right, back to what I was going to tell you. I wanted to show you. Jessie had already taken it out. When Tori comes up here on Tuesday to see her doctor, since she had surgery, she has to be seen by her doctor again, just to make sure everything is fine. This is what I was going to show you. This was $9.99. Now, I don't know if it's the same price, but I will link it down below in the description box in case you want to get one for your pet, or if you want to get multiple for your pets like I'm going to be getting, or if you want to give it away as a holiday gift. I think it would be a really cool gift to give somebody. So this is the memory box, and I wanted to show you the components inside of it because we have not done this ourselves just yet. Let me move that over here. But I think what they do, Philip said that they give you like kind of an idea on the frame as a picture of what it would look like once you put your items in it. Now we've got a really good picture of Gilligan. In fact, my son took a bunch of pictures of the dogs, of each one of the dogs. He took a picture actually of each one, but I guess he took a couple just to kind of get a really good picture. And he's putting it on the back of a phone case. And I believe, is that coming from Temu, Philip? Yes. It's coming from Temu, and I paid $6? Roughly $4, and it's an iPhone 13 case, and it's going to have a picture of all of my dogs on the back, which I think is super cute. I also have a necklace coming that we paid, how much for the necklace? I don't remember. The necklace wasn't expensive either. I think it was like $5 or $6, and it is a metal little symbol where it has my dog that passed away, has Sid Happy Logan's picture in it, and it says Happy on it because we call them Happy for short. And it's a necklace. It's a memory necklace. So when that comes in, I will show you. I will tell you that my Temu order was just over $31. I bought something for Philip too, I think, on there, and I think I got something else. So when that comes in, I will show you. So back to this. These are the components it comes with, and this is the frame. And then it's got the little kit that I guess this is kind of like a little rolling pin, and I guess it's got kind of like an instruction booklet and things in here to use this little thing here, whatever is in here. I'm not quite sure exactly what it is, but it's to make the paw print for your puppy's paw. So you can stick your little puppy's paw or fur baby's paw into here, and then I guess, I'm assuming it goes into here somehow, or it goes something. I'm not quite sure, y'all. I don't see, so I don't know. Jessica, come here. Maybe Jessica can tell us what it does. But that way you can have the paw print of your fur baby as well. Jessica. She doesn't hear me, y'all. I think she's got her earphones on. She's probably playing her Xbox. So anyways, you can go ahead and look this up. You can look at the directions on it. You can look at the components of it and the information. I will link this down below in the description box for anybody who might be interested in this. I apologize that I can't see it to tell you exactly more about it, but you guys, you can all see it. You can go look at it on Amazon. Again, I think it would be a really cute little gift to give for this holiday, or if you want it for one of your pets, or you want to get a couple, like I said, because I'm going to get one for every single one of my Chihuahuas. So anyways, that's what we have for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Our next binder is going to be our black binder. And this is not the black binder, but it's up on my shelf. I'm going to have the black binder, which is definitely going to be my bills, my expenses, and my debt. So after that, I will put up a video tomorrow explaining the rest of our expenses for the month of November, because I'm on a no spin for the rest of this month. I was planning on doing my no spin kit for November, and y'all, I'm too far into November to do that, but I promise you I will be starting it for December. I do have a December kit. Absolutely love it. And one of my binders is going to be the no spin binder, which will have the no spin A6 challenges, plus it will have the accompanying challenges that also come in there, because there's 2 different sets of A6 size trackers in it, and I'll speak more about that in an upcoming video as I get ready to put that binder together. And I'm going to turn that into a no spin, as I mentioned before in other videos, a no spin year binder as well, which will come with 32 stickers for every single month. I know that not every month has more than 30 days. Some have 31, some have 30s, and we all know that February has 28 days. But I give you a couple extra stickers because why not? I have the sticker room to do it, and I don't want to not use that space if I can for y'all. So you all get 32 stickers, and they all say no spend on them, and they are correlating with each month. You will also get a tracker that you can color and fill in. It's kind of like a calendar without having like Monday through Sunday on there. It just has, for December, it'll have 1 through 31, and you can color in to represent that. You also will get 2 envelopes, and you also get 2 A6 laminated trackers. One is also going to be, as I mentioned, the no spend tracker. For December, it'll have 1 through 31, and it'll say no spend December on there. And then as you color in each single one of those, you save that amount. If it's too much, like say you get December 28th, and you can't save $28, you can put 2 plus 8 and save 10. So definitely make the challenges yourself. I will be bringing out the no spin December here shortly. In fact, I might even bring that out after I do this one. It just depends on how many binders I can get done, y'all, because I'm still waiting for my binders to come in on Monday or Tuesday, and I don't want to wait. So I'm going to move forward with processing the binders I currently have, and maybe shifting the titles and what is going to be in each binder to a different color as we move forward. So anyways, we'll catch you in the next video. A lot of information to take in. Please go ahead and go into the description box and check out this memory keepsake for your fur babies or your friends' fur babies. And we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye.